Hi, welcome back. You're watching Trading Hour. Let's shift the focus now to the commodity markets. As always, Manisha is here to talk about the one commodity in focus today. Hi, Manisha. What are you tracking?
So, I'm looking at the rubber prices because we've seen a constant decline in this year into these, and the decline just got even more stronger on the weaker side. If you look at the global markets, we are trading at a 2-year lows in case of rubber prices, and the cues clearly coming in from China, where the COVID breakouts now and this time around in the big cities of Shanghai and Shenzhen really seem to be weighing on to the markets. The other data that the markets are reacting to is the automobile sales in China, which on year-on-year basis have seen a gain, but on month-on-month basis have seen a decline coming in. That's weighing on to the markets there. In the Indian markets also, when you look at the April and August 22 numbers till now, the production has increased, but the consumption has been on the higher side as well. And we have seen imports and cheaper imports at that continue into the markets. So the street is looking at higher consumption this time around, and that should have been supportive. But at this point in time, the weak global cues and the fact that we also are looking at a peak tapping data, tapping numbers in the Indian markets also seem to be weighing in. The tapping in the Indian market starts from majorly October and goes until November, Feb as well. So major arrivals in the markets for rubber is what seems to be weighing on, and the stockist and the tire companies not buying as much rubber too. It actually is the tire manufacturing sector which accounts for nearly 71% of overall rubber consumption, and that is where we are looking at a weak demand coming in from. These are the numbers in last couple of years on what production has been, which has increased year on year, but the consumption has taken a major jump by nearly 12 to 15% on year on year basis. So going forward, that data is going to be important to watch out for. Take a look at the prices as well then, and that have continued to decline. If you look at those are the global prices, of course, which have continued to decline. Month on month, year on year, we have seen negative moves come in here. For the Indian markets, when you look at the month on month prices here, it was in the month of July that we were trading at around 170 rupees per kg. But take a look at August, September, October, the prices have continued to decline. So much so that the August, September and October prices actually trading within that 148 to 150 rupees per kg mark. We did see all-time highs of 238 rupees per kg back in 2011. From there, it has been a constant decline in prices, and it really seems to be holding at the lower side of the range right now in October.
All right, Manisha, thanks a lot for getting us that quick update on the rubber prices. For the markets, it is really shaky this morning, and we're currently just around 15 odd points in the green for the Nifty, and the bunch of the pain is also seen in the mid-cap space right now, so that'll come up for you around 0.5% gone on the mid-cap in